Alright guys, it's Jack from All Day JK Fishing, back with another video. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to get your first 100 subscribers on your YouTube channel. More specifically, a fishing channel, because that's what I am, but this can really apply to all channels. I'm going to give 5 tips on how to do it. These 5 tips have definitely helped me grow. And they can definitely help you grow. So, starting off, just a quick little bit about my channel. So I'm like 90 videos in. I started about a year ago. I have 600 subscribers and I'm slowly growing. So let's just start it off with tip number 1, bringing it back to the beginning of my channel. So what I did in the beginning was I tried to just get a base amount of videos out as fast as I could, right? The editing wasn't the best, the footage wasn't the best, and even now my footage isn't the best, but it was just getting something out there so that my channel had videos, that there was content out there on my channel, okay? That's my first tip. Just get things out. It doesn't have to be quality. It can just be short videos, it can be basic stuff, but get stuff on your channel. That is my tip number 1. Alright, my second YouTube tip, this one can really help you grow. It's something really, really simple that you can do. Alright, my second YouTube tip, this one can help you grow very fast. Subscriber wise, maybe not watch time wise, but subscriber wise, you can get, I could guarantee you 100 subscribers if you grinded this in a week easy. What you're going to do is you're going to go to the search bar, right, and you're just going to look up, I don't know, anything, just trout fishing, right? Trout fishing, enter. Alright, so trout fishing. Look through channels, find a video you like, right? Try to get videos that have less views because it'll be a smaller channel. But so just like keep going, find something you like. I've already gone through so many, and this is literally unlimited. You can do this forever. 247 videos posted 2 days ago, right? This guy is NRV Outdoors. All you have to do is go into his video, right? I don't know, watch a couple minutes of it. Figure out, you know, like what the vibe is, like nice brown trout right there. I don't know, drop a like for him, leave a comment, tell him that you enjoy his channel and everything, that his thumbnails were cool, that his footage was great, that his editing's good, that you like the music he chose. Just comment that, just leave that comment, and I'm telling you right now, those people will like your comment, they will check your channel back out, they will show the support back half the time, alright? One thing to not do with that is spam, like just go crazy in there, ask for them to come back and watch your channel. Don't tell them that you have a video, don't tell them that you have a channel too. Don't do that. Just leave a quality comment and just let things go from there. If they respond back, they respond back. Maybe they'll subscribe back. That's it. That's all I'm saying. That's a great tip. Tip number 3, okay, to help you grow on YouTube. This one is pretty basic, and it is to keep your videos over 10 minutes long. So it's something I struggle to do, honestly. I don't have many videos over 10 minutes long, but YouTube likes to keep its viewers, its users on the YouTube platform. So the best thing you can do is post longer videos. Think about it this way. You could have a 2-minute video, right? And a person could watch all 2 minutes of the video, and that is 2 minutes of watch time. Or you could put a 15-minute video up, and a person could watch 3 minutes of the video, which is already more than the full 2 minutes. It's only 20% watch time, but it's getting more watch time than the short video. And if videos are over 10 minutes, when you do monetize, you can have ads on those videos, and ads give you money, they make YouTube money. Can't go wrong with longer videos. That is tip number 3. So tip number 4. This one is a great way to get consistent views and consistent subscribers on your channel. What you have to do is you have to follow a strategy called the evergreen strategy. And pretty much what this is you use things like location for a fishing channel, you know, rods, reels, tackle, anything that will be consistently searched on YouTube, okay? No trends. Try to stay away from trends. They'll get views initially, but they'll die. So for my channel, you know, I have some different locations. So I have San Antonio Riverwalk, and you know, every 24 hours it gets anywhere from like 5 to 10 views, right? Grand Traverse Bay, consistently getting views, posted that a year ago. And then you can do other things like power bait. It's never gonna stop being searched. Trout magnets, Delaware River, location. I mean, it's just things that will never stop getting views, right? I put in here like white marabou, talking about the jig that I was using. Somebody wants to find out how to crappie fish, they might look up white marabou crappie fishing, and this video will pop up and they could watch that. So that is a great tip, and that's something you can do to grow very fast. Alright guys, on to tip number 5. This one is based on the aesthetic of your channel. So I want you guys to have HD images as your thumbnails. I want you to have a good aesthetic looking banner, something simple, straight to the point. I want you to have good descriptions, good titles, how to catch a limit of stock trout in 3 minutes. There's no spam uppercase letters, there's no bad grammar. Your channel you just want it to look aesthetically pleasing. You just want it to look good. I mean, it's attractive to the eye. That is such a good tip. All I have to say is if you do that, it will definitely help you grow. Alright guys, so I'm gonna throw in a quick bonus tip here. Let's just go to a random here ice fishing video. This is a really great tip. So all these comments, right? This guy says that place has jumbo yellow perch. Those things shorted have a lot of yellow to them too. Nice job in the video. Merry Christmas and tight lines. This guy commented on my page, right? The least you can do, especially with a small channel, is comment back. Always comment back. I try to do it with everyone. I try to leave a like on everyone's comment. If there's people engaging with you, support them back, comment back. They're more likely to come back to your channel again. Go check them out. Like I said, I'll check your channel out right here. And another thing too, on every single video, every single one, make sure that you pin a comment. This helps another person's channel out. You know, when someone else is watching your video, they go down to the comment section and they see that it's pinned, right? They might click on this guy's channel now. It also notifies the person who left the comment, and maybe that person is more likely to watch more of your videos. And something I do to get more comments is at the end of my videos, I'll leave a little note in the bottom of the screen that says like, drop a comment, I might pin you. And that kind of gets people to comment more than not saying that. And that's something that just definitely help me grow. Alright guys, so that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped you out, drop a like, maybe leave a comment. I'll try to come check your channel out too, maybe subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.